2024 is just around the corner. Like many of us, I used to set broader resolutions and goals that often ended up being too overwhelming to achieve. However, in 2023, I discovered a game-changing strategy that transformed my life. In this video, I'll be sharing this simple yet effective trick that helped me accomplish incredible things, and the best part is it is easy for anyone to implement. By the end of this video, you will know how to use this technique, understand why it works, and discover the numerous benefits it can bring. So stay tuned because you wouldn't want to miss this out. The method I have been using is called the past year review. But what exactly is the past year review? It is a method that involves reflecting on past experiences and strategically planning for the future. Unlike traditional New Year resolutions that often fall by the wayside, the PVR method is more effective and actionable. It entails identifying the people, activities, and commitments that trigger the most positive and negative emotions in the past year. The aim is simple: do more of what brings you joy and less of what makes you miserable. I learned about this from Tim Ferriss, a best-selling author and entrepreneur. I will link his detailed blog post in the description section below. This straightforward exercise took me just over an hour. Last year I did on January 1st, 2023. This year I'm planning to do maybe a couple of weeks before, and I encourage you to join me. The PVR method is simple and easy to follow. All you need is a notepad and a calendar. Here are the 5 steps you need to follow. The first thing is create 2 columns on your notepad. One is the positive side and the other is the negative side. And now moving to the step 2, which is go through your calendar from the last year looking at every week. And step number 3 is for each week, jot down any people, activities or commitment that trigger peak positive or negative emotions for that month. Put them in their respective column. Now moving on to step 4, which is once you have gone through the past year, look at your notepad list and ask what 20% of each column produced the most reliable or powerful peak. I know I struggled a lot last year because, you know, looking at my calendar, I was like, I'm not sure what I did in this week, but that's completely fine. Even if you vaguely remember, okay, this month this happened, and that, you know, that arise, like the positive emotion or the negative emotion, just jot down in your notebook on the respective side of it. So step 5, which is based on the answers, take your positive leaders and schedule more of them in the new year. Is 2024. Them on the calendar now. Tim Ferriss says if it is not in the calendar, it is not there. So it is very important, just put those dates in your calendar. Take your negative leaders and put them on a no to do list. What Tim has advised us that maybe just look at that no to do list for a couple of weeks and then completely avoid them as much as possible. That's it. You have just completed your PVR. Now let me tell you how this helped and how it can help you too. By focusing on what brings happiness and contentment while letting go of negativity, I freed up more time in my schedule. This allowed me to embark on creative and learning projects such as starting my YouTube channel, enrolling in a mentorship program, and taking initiatives to enhance my financial education. And trust me, if you do this activity, you will gain better insights into what is serving you and what is not. You will be in control of your life, focusing on things that bring fulfillment and happiness, whether it is spending time with your friends, whether doing, you know, an exercise. So it's very important that we focus on the positive sides of our life and rather than putting our energy on negative things. Alongside my past year review, I decided to introduce quarterly and 6 monthly reviews this time. I believe that this can help you and me to stay on track with our goals, evaluate our performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, and make necessary changes to our plan if needed. I'll do my past year review for 2024. I'll set a date in my calendar for my quarterly reviews and 6 monthly reviews, and you can also use your calendar or reminder app to schedule your reviews as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. What are your goals for 2024? Have you tried the Tim Ferriss PVR method before? How did it go? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.